Hello and welcome back. My name is Prajit Prabhakaran and I am the host. Today, there is going to be a debate about technology. Today's question is having access to technology now a basic human right? Let the debate start.
Hello, my name is John and I think it is important that everyone at least has one piece of technology for their daily use.
My name is Wayne and I think that having technology is not a human right?
Do you know that all jobs that have technology are getting the highest wages? So if the poor at least have one technology or more, they may have a chance of getting these jobs.
For the past few months, there has been migrants from Syria, Africa and there are people fleeing from war zone. They are all suffering from food and clothes. If they at least sell their phones or iPhone, they can get enough food and clothes.
But the problem is that they need phones for the use of internet banking so they don't carry their cash with them and that they don't get robbed.
Technology comes after safety. You have to have food, water and clothes. Then comes technology.
The first and main human right is that everyone was born in an equal and right way. The word equal tells us that if the rich has technology, why shouldn't the poor?
In England, when you are in debt, the bank takes your property, but not your important ones. These are beds, cooker, clothes and your television. Television is just for entertainment. Why would you need this?
Well, for us humans we need a bit of entertainment. This may relax you after a hard, long day at work. If you don't, then you could have lot of stress.
You can survive without entertainment. Why waste your money on items you don't need? For example, an phone upgrade. What is the main difference of an iPhone 6 and iPhone 6s? Yes, maybe there is a new update, but how is this going to change in any way? iPhone 6 costs about £500. iPhone 6s costs about £550. £50 is being wasted on just a new update you don't need. With that money, you could have bought something useful like clothes or food.
It is boring just to live a normal life. Also, I have investigated that by the year 2020, there is going to be 22% more ICT jobs. So we need more people who have technology and can have the skills.
Yes, but there are rich people going to good universities and they can get these jobs. They have more experience than anyone else. They are more reliable.
So, are you trying to tell that the rich can get richer and the poor can get poorer? That is not fair. We should give the poor a chance. To add to this, I have researched that, out 100 rich people, 36 were poor people. It doesn't matter if you are rich or poor, we should give everyone a chance.
They have other issues, like to buy food and clothes. They don't have any time or money for that.
Over the last decade, technology has grown fast, and still is. If you don't have technology you will be the odd one out. Shops around the world are starting to sell more technology.
Yes, that may happen in the future, but for now, the poor don't need any tech. They may need it in the next decade where tech will be everywhere, but for now they don't need it. Thank you, both Wayne and John. Your points are very clear. We have a question for you now. What do you think is the right answer? I am Prajit Prabhakaran. Thank you for watching. Bye.